Curious how AI is transforming modern marketing? Welcome to AI Plus Marketing for professionals using AI in marketing. Discover how AI boosts insights, automates campaigns, enhances decisions, and personalizes experiences. Gain practical AI skills to improve efficiency and performance in today's marketing. AI is transforming marketing. Without AI, teams risk missed opportunities. AI Plus Marketing provides AI knowledge to enhance targeting, automate campaigns, and optimize decisions. This certification aligns AI with marketing goals for smarter strategies. AI Plus Marketing by AI CERTs equips professionals with essential AI skills to modernize marketing strategies. Learners gain expertise in AI-driven customer segmentation, personalized marketing campaigns, big data analysis for actionable marketing insights, and AI-powered customer engagement strategies, enabling smarter targeting, automation, and data-driven decision-making for high-impact marketing outcomes. AI Plus Marketing is designed for marketing professionals, digital marketing experts, business leaders, CRM specialists, and students or new graduates who want to apply artificial intelligence in modern marketing environments. The program builds practical AI skills for customer segmentation, campaign optimization, CRM-driven insights, automation, and data-driven decision-making, helping learners improve efficiency, engagement, and measurable marketing outcomes. The AI Plus Marketing certification validates AI skills for marketing. It shows expertise in AI-driven data analysis, customer segmentation, automation, ethical AI, and compliance. This helps marketers improve efficiency, personalize engagement, and make smarter decisions with responsible AI. Backed by global standards, AI CERT certifications are trusted by professionals and organizations worldwide to validate real-world AI knowledge. This course is designed for maximum flexibility and real-world impact. You can learn at your own pace through a fully self-paced online format with 1 full year of access to all course materials. The program includes expert-led video lessons, downloadable handouts, and AI agent support to guide your learning journey. To validate your skills, the certification concludes with a secure, proctored exam. Join AI Plus Marketing to develop AI skills for smarter marketing. Learn AI's role in data analysis, automation, insights, and decisions. This certification helps combine AI with marketing to drive engagement, optimize performance, and achieve data-driven outcomes. Find more details in the course flyer below. Explore AI Plus Marketing to boost AI skills. Learn AI's role in insights, automation, compliance, and decisions. This certification aids better targeting, efficiency, and customer satisfaction with AI strategies. Provided by Synergogy, the official partner of AI CERTs. For more information, write to us at info@𝗕𝗺𝗃𝗃.com or visit our page on 𝗕𝗺𝗃𝗃.com, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.